Hey, I'm Sam. So I'm doing my exam number 6 on web technology lab. So here's my first question. So write a JavaScript code in order to display the digital clock. So here is a website that I have created. So here's a question number 1. So here's a digital clock. So we just need to go to the code how it has been executed. So here's the page one for the question number one, and page two, page three, page four, page five, so on for the question number two, so on to the question number five. So here the class has been created. So the digital clock. So with the style font size for the 50 pixel. Here is a display function in which a date has been initialized to it. So here's a date function. So it get printed with the hours, minutes, and seconds. So here's a set interval function every 1,000 milliseconds or 1 second. It gets updated to the time. Uh, going to the second question. Uh, so dynamic background has been changed. So in order to change the background color for every 30 seconds, so the color has been changed. So let's go to the code. So here is the shows the color, which all colors has been initialized: red, blue, green, and green. The color has been initialized. So math.flow function has been used in order to change the color randomly. So it shows the color red, green, blue. So it just get printed with the background color. So we use the every 2 seconds, the set background color gets changes at 300 milliseconds using the set interval function. Now going to the third question. To change the font size. So when we move the cursor, the font size has been increased. When we move away from the para, so the font size has been to the default size. So here's the code for that. So here's the on mouse over in order to increase the size, and on mouse out in order to decrease the size. So it is done inside the script function. In this function it gets printed with the function insize function has been used here in order to get the increase the size up to the 50 pixel. So it will call to the id equal to pair 1, so that it goes to the increase function in order to increase the font size, as well as the function decrease size function is used to decrease the font size to the original. And going back to the fourth question. So here the car starts. So it ends when it press the stop. It will come to the default position. So here's a program for this one. Here an object has been image object has been created to null. So object give to the relative position, and it has a move from the margin from the 0 pixel. Here move right function and stop function has been used. So move right function, an image has been created and it will move towards the right at 200 uh, at 200 20 milliseconds. So it is called to the uh, move button function. Button has been created with a value called start. Here is a function function stop in order to make the image to the default position. And here is a question number 5. to tell the author number A, B, C, D, E, so on. So here is the code for that. Here we just created books with the title Book A with the author A with year 2007. In the same way, we created authors A, B, C, D, E, and we use the while function in order to condition in order to check whether if I is less than 1. So it gets printed with the author number. It gets printed with the book author and the year. So it carry till I less than 5. Then after that it checks the length of the book with the if else condition. Um, so this ends my example number 6. Thank you.